Upgrade your home security with the latest innovations in smart technology. The top 5 best electronic door lock in this year ensures convenience, safety, and peace of mind. Easy to install, durable, and equipped with advanced features, it's security you can trust. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. TEEHO Electronic Door Lock. The TEEHO Electronic Door Lock offers a versatile and highly secure solution for modern homes. Designed for ease of use, it allows up to 20 unique access codes for family members, alongside a one-time PIN code for guest entry, which automatically deletes after use, ensuring temporary visitors cannot misuse the lock. The smart locking feature is particularly convenient. You can set the door to automatically lock within 10 to 99 seconds, or enable one-touch auto lock by pressing and holding any key on the keypad for just 2 seconds. Built with a robust aluminum alloy construction, this lock ensures durability and weather resistance, IP54, giving homeowners reliable protection against both physical tampering and environmental factors. The anti-peeping user code protection enhances security further, preventing unauthorized observation of your access codes. A low battery indicator ensures you're never caught off guard, and the solid lock cylinder adds an additional layer of safety. One of the most impressive aspects of the TEEHO lock is its simple installation process, requiring only a screwdriver and a few minutes, making it accessible for both men and women. While it is compatible with standard 1/8 door holes, it is not suitable for 38mm holes, so compatibility should be verified before purchase. Overall, TEEHO strikes a balance between advanced technology and user-friendly design, offering homeowners a practical, secure, and modern door locking solution that is perfect for families, renters, or anyone looking to upgrade their home security with minimal hassle. Number 2. Kwikset Electronic Door Lock. The Kwikset Electronic Door Lock combines convenience, durability, and advanced security into a single, reliable unit. Keypad entry eliminates the need for physical keys, making everyday access fast and simple, while high-traffic durability ensures the lock can withstand up to 500,000 cycles, maintaining performance over years of frequent use. Its code management system is highly versatile, allowing customization of up to 30 user codes, one one-time user code, and a programming code that can be edited or deleted at any time. This makes it ideal for families, shared living spaces, or small businesses. The lock offers 3 distinct modes: auto lock, passage, and a turn-piece disabled mode, giving users flexibility for both private and public settings. Certified to Grade 2 BHMA standards, Kwikset guarantees security, strength, and finish quality that is up to 2.5 times stronger than Grade 3 locks, reassuring users of its reliability against tampering or forced entry. Installation is straightforward, and the design accommodates standard doors without requiring complex tools or wiring. This lock is ideal for homeowners seeking a dependable, long-lasting, and easy-to-manage electronic locking solution. Its combination of user-friendly features, high durability, and certified security makes the Kwikset lock a top choice for those who want both safety and convenience in a modern keyless entry system. For anyone looking to upgrade from traditional locks, Kwikset provides a perfect balance of technology, flexibility, and peace of mind. Number 3. Schlage Electronic Door Lock. The Schlage Electronic Door Lock, specifically the Schlage Encode Deadbolt, provides an advanced Wi-Fi-enabled solution for secure and convenient home access. With anywhere access capabilities through the Schlage Home app, users can lock or unlock doors, manage up to 100 access codes, and monitor lock activity from virtually anywhere. The system provides peace of mind by sending notifications and allowing easy management of multiple locks simultaneously, ideal for larger households or rental properties. The voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Home adds hands-free convenience, letting users operate the lock without touching the keypad. Security is reinforced through encrypted connections, a built-in customizable alarm for forced entry, and a fingerprint-resistant touchscreen, ensuring that both the device and its users remain protected. Installation is simple, requiring only a screwdriver and no hardwiring, while the snap and stay design ensures the lock stays in place during setup. This model also accommodates standard doors and offers flexible auto-lock timing or one-touch locking for quick security. Battery life is impressive, lasting up to 6 months with typical use, and the low battery indicator ensures you never face sudden lockouts. The inclusion of a backup physical key provides extra reassurance. Overall, the Schlage lock blends smart technology, durability, and user-friendly design, making it a reliable choice for tech-savvy homeowners seeking ultimate control, convenience, and advanced security for their homes. Number 4. ULTRALOQ Electronic Door Lock. The ULTRALOQ Electronic Door Lock is a feature-packed smart lock offering advanced security and seamless smart home integration. With 8-in-1 keyless entry options, including AI-powered fingerprint ID, anti-peek keypad, smartphone app control, auto lock/unlock, EKI sharing, voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant, and 2 mechanical keys, this lock provides unparalleled flexibility. Built-in Wi-Fi allows users to control the lock remotely without requiring an additional hub, and the system maintains logs of who entered and when, enhancing security monitoring. The ULTRALOQ lock automatically engages when the door closes and unlocks as you approach, using smart sensors and notifications to keep homeowners informed. Designed to meet ANSI Grade 1 standards, it offers a strength up to 35 times that of standard residential locks and is rated IP65 for dust and weather resistance, ensuring reliability in harsh conditions. Installation is straightforward, with compatibility for standard doors, making it accessible to most users. Smart home integration with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, SmartThings, or if enables voice control and automation, allowing the lock to work seamlessly within a connected ecosystem. Ideal for families, Airbnb hosts, offices, and hotels, ULTRALOQ combines cutting-edge technology, high-grade security, and convenience, making it one of the most advanced electronic door locks available today. Its combination of durability, multiple access options, and smart functionality ensures homeowners experience both safety and ease of use, all in one sleek design. Number 5. Kwikset 250 Electronic Door Lock. The Kwikset 250 Electronic Door Lock delivers a reliable and user-friendly keyless entry experience, perfect for modern homes and busy households. Its keypad allows convenient access without needing keys, while supporting up to 25 customizable user codes, 5 one-time user codes, and a programming code for full flexibility in code management. The auto lock feature provides peace of mind by allowing users to set the door to lock automatically at intervals of 30 seconds, 1, 3, 5, or 10 minutes, ensuring security even if the door is accidentally left unlocked. Intrusion alerts enhance safety, triggering an alarm and disabling the keypad for 1 minute after 3 consecutive incorrect attempts, deterring tampering. Low-light code entry with LED illumination allows easy operation at night, while the vacation mode temporarily disables the keypad for added security when homeowners are away. Installation is straightforward, compatible with standard doors, and the lock is designed for durability and long-term use. Kwikset 250 is ideal for families, small offices, or rental properties where multiple users need controlled access without the hassle of traditional keys. Combining advanced features, customizable security, and ease of use, this lock represents a modern approach to home security, giving users confidence and flexibility. Whether you need temporary guest access, reliable automatic locking, or alerts for unauthorized entry, the Kwikset 250 Electronic Door Lock provides a comprehensive solution that balances safety, convenience, and smart technology in one dependable device. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.